Oh my goodness. Man, I love this girl. She could be a pain in the ass, but man. Definitely a low rider, but that's okay. 3.5 weeks out of surgery. She can't go for walks, no exercise, none of that. That's how she's looking. All genetics. People be saying, oh man, she like that because you feed her raw. No man, that's because how the way she's bred. Whew. So yeah. Up, down. That's what I gotta do every day. She cannot climb the stairs or none of that shit. I gotta pick her up, which is okay. I'm good with that. It's a beautiful dog, man. Absolutely beautiful.